Ryan here, 780 Speed and Custom. Appreciate you guys stopping by the channel today. On today's episode, we are going to finally tear into my 4L60 that I blew up on Miles of Mayhem last year. That is all I got. First gear. It's a short drive, but it's a long drive. Okay, so as you just saw in that clip, I had first gear and about maximum 2000 RPM. If I tried to give it any more than that or shift it into second or third, it would just immediately start slipping. You know, kind of feel like the truck was falling on its face, basically, right? So that's what leads me to believe it's the forward clutches. There was no clunk, there was no bang, no obvious sounds of destruction when it failed. And furthermore, after it sat overnight, I went to fire up the next day, and the transmission, obviously transmission temperatures were much cooler, everything felt tighter. So I still believe it's clutches, but I've got a couple of friends coming over right now, Chris and Brad, and we're gonna tear into this thing. This one is mine, and just see what went wrong. If we got to order more hard parts, we'll order more hard parts. I've got rebuild kits here, and a new valve body coming that's supposed to prevent the forward clutches from burning out, because it's not the first time this happened to me on this transmission. And I've also got another 4L60 here, that's Chris's. We are going to build that one as well as a spare. So hopefully we won't have this problem again, and if we do, we won't be stuck. Our season won't be over like mine was after having blown up the transmission and waiting 6 months for parts. So we will get into it right now. No. So I got Chris and Brad here. We're working on the spare transmission right now, but things are a little tight, and we're using an unorthodox method of getting the bolts out. So enjoy.
I'm on fire! Just like that.
Let's invent a new bolt head, they said. It'll stop them from working on their own stuff, they said. Second drawer on the right.
This one?
Yep. Right here.
Oh yeah. A couple of grabby benches, yeah. Some water helps it be some good, eh?
This might do it.
You're right. Once they broke, they were pretty fucking loose most of the time.
Oh yeah. Let's spin it out now.
Nice and hot. Yeah, nice and hot too.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, that would have broke any Loctite that was on there.
Yeah. Yeah, there really wasn't a whole lot left, eh?
So yeah, this transmission, somebody put tamper-proof bolts on the bell housing. We don't have the socket. I tried to weld nuts on them. It just wasn't going to happen. Normally it's a Torx like that. Yeah, zoom in. So whatever. We have other bell housings. I'm not worried about that. we can now work on our transmission. So we'll keep going on this one. So spare transmission's coming apart. What did we discover so far? Band stuck?
Band stuck.
Yeah.
And possibly this bore is oblong.
Right. I'm gonna get to ripping and tearing mine apart.
Something happens to that, you're on your own.
Yeah, I saw. I'm pretty confident I'll be all right.
Yeah.
Like, I can try to at least a spray in the back in case it's not freewheeling.
It's not really? No, fuck yeah, we got one living spray. Woo!
But it didn't get real, it didn't get super stuck.
That's good.
Yeah.
That tranny that's in my car when you pull my car, like fucking every spray is pumpkin in there. That thing had some damage.
Yeah.
Somebody must have drove it half dead or
That's
whatever.
how you know if there's.
Is the bell housing off?
How you know.
Oh, apparently. I didn't drink it anyway. I thought that I did.
How's that feel?
Or basically a part here on the spare one.
We got steels and steels. We lost the clutch material somewhere.
There's no clutches left, just steels.
What kind of setup is that?
What do you mean? Yeah, she's
She's a bulletproof unit, bro.
yeah, that's expensive, that little bit right there. So it looks like my suspicions have been confirmed. There's your forward clutches there. They're all black and burnt and
Crispy.
nice and crispy. Yeah, that's for sure. Looks like this drum's got a little bit of wear on it, so I'll order a new one of those. But everything else actually looks pretty good. So
Just some little bits of metal.
yeah, we'll clean it all up. And new steels, new clutches. We'll get this new drum. Slap it back together.
Check.
Good for another pass, maybe? We'll see.
Two.
Two passes?
Two pass.
So that's the transmission out of my 40. That's mine. And then this spare transmission, it's pretty cooked all the way throughout. We got to order the reverse sprag, right? Yeah, reverse sprag. Other than that, we'll do clutches. Everything else looks really good. We might run the valve body out of my spare. But yeah, to be determined. Probably throw a shift kit in it as well. So we'll have a half decent spare that'll hold up until we can fix our main transmissions if this happens again.
But I got lucky with yours.
So
my guess was lucky.
Yeah,
I gotta fix my parts cleaner.
Yeah.
Run all this stuff. Spend a few weeks maybe cleaning everything up, and then we can start reassembling with new parts, good parts, race car parts. And we'll be ready for Miles of Mayhem 2024. In theory.
maybe.
Maybe. I don't know if we'll ever be ready for it, but we're going.
We're gonna get there.
Yeah, we're going regardless. So that'll be a wrap for today. Got these two transmissions split apart. Gotta order some more hard parts, but I guess we'll leave it at that. So as always, I appreciate you guys stopping by the channel. I'm Ryan, 780 Speed and Custom, tuning out.